Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. A very critical moment for TFUEL guys, as we are again back at 35 cents. Let's see what will happen. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to learn and become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Only 50 people can join in because I don't have the time for more. And of course guys, you can cancel anytime you like your subscription. Also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. And of course we are a beautiful family that helps each other every day. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's go now to our technical analysis guys, and you can see that we are flirting now with a shooting star candle right there guys. I hope that this is not a shooting star, and 34 to 35 cents as well. So eventually you already know that if we fall down from this support level right here, we might go all the way down to 26 to 27 cents, around there. I believe on the midterm, if we just lose this level as a support level, we might actually be going down. And you know that I had the 41 cents as around there guys, the 41 cents as a resistance level. We went a little bit down, so I will do my self-critic. Do not worry about that. Yes, it was a little bit off, but you can see we stopped at 40.5 around there. We didn't stop at 40.8 or 41.2, right? So therefore we went correcting a little bit. We had another swing high to 38.5, and now we are flirting with the 35 cents. So very critical situation here for the TFUEL. Right now you can see that the MACD is about to have a bearish cross with a signal line, and what we want to avoid right here is to go all the way down. If we fall all the way down for the MACD, this will be very bad. You know that we want to see higher highs and higher lows in the MACD in the 4-hour frame pattern, right? So anyway, let's go now to TFUEL in the 4-hour frame to see a little bit the risk metrics. We had a very high risk guys, almost a fake pump. We went up to 500, and I think I mentioned it in the video yesterday that might be a fake pump right here. 500, you can see that the commodity channel index went crazy upwards. Now it's going crazy downwards. Okay, so we are not in an oversold situation yet, so we can correct even more, nor the stochastic RSI is in an oversold situation, and of course not the RSI, which goes in an oversold situation last, because it is not so sensitive to the price action as the commodity channel index for example, and especially the stochastic RSI. The RSI is more stable, and it goes last into an overbought or into an oversold situation. And as the RSI goes into an oversold or into an overbought situation, then we know that most likely we will correct, or we have a very good buying opportunity, right? So therefore you can see the 20-day MA is still below the 50-day MA. This pump wasn't enough to make a bullish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, but you know the exponential moving averages and moving averages in general guys, they are lagging a little bit behind the price action. So therefore let's go to the daily frame. And on the daily frame, you can see that we were in an oversold. We went upwards due to the pump, and now we are going to get into an oversold situation again for TFUEL in the commodity channel index. The RSI is going a little bit downwards. As you can see here, it tends to go to 30. We will see about that though. If in the daily frame the RSI goes to 30, then we will have maybe a very good buying opportunity. But for the time being, we have to be a little bit careful, because as you can see, the stochastic RSI now is above the 20 on the daily frame as well, and the MACD doesn't look like it wants to have a bullish cross. So be careful please guys for now. And of course you can see that we are having the bottom line of the Bollinger bands getting close to the top line. That will be good. If we get a closer top line and bottom line, it will be good. Then we will have a squeeze point, and of course guys, we might have some low volume, and we expect the volume to increase as we are getting this squeeze point on the Bollinger bands. You can see the moving average is falling a little little bit down. Let's open the SSL hybrid and close the Bollinger Bands. We had a buying opportunity there. That was a good buying opportunity, but at the same time, guys, on the daily frame, it was bad. If it goes on the 4-hour frame, it will be very good, but on the daily frame, it is bad to have a buying opportunity. It's such a quick pace, right? Because you could see yesterday that it went up crazy high in just a short term. I think that it was 20% in 4 hours. That's crazy high, guys, and that when that happens, you should be a little bit concerned about whether it is a fake pump or not. Anyway, let's go now to TFUEL Bitcoin chart. You can see on TFUEL Bitcoin, this is the reason that we went upwards. We outperformed Bitcoin, and therefore, guys, we were expecting that because we couldn't keep going down forever. You can see that we had the 20-day MA as a resistance level. We went more horizontal, and I told you guys that this is maybe the time that we would go upwards. I didn't expect that huge candle right here. I didn't expect it at all, guys, but of course we did that, and now we are correcting immediately. In the next 4 hours, we just corrected a little bit of a swing high, corrected again, right? So therefore, we had the RSI above the 70, as you can see, common channel index of course above the 100. Now we don't have any oversold situation to just hope that we might do something like this, right? So therefore, guys, for TFUEL Bitcoin in the daily frame, we might have avoided having a bearish cross between the 20-day and the MA, but if we go beyond this support line right here and we go further down, the cross will be surely there. Okay, so for now, guys, please be careful, but I think that we might see the bearish cross. The RSI is not in an oversold situation, can correct even more. Same for the commodity channel index, not in an oversold situation yet, and we might follow a pattern like this going on. And of course, guys, the stochastic RSI is now above the 20. So if you missed the opportunity, guys, to get profits right there, and as you can see, we stopped a little bit beyond the 41 to 40 actually 0.8. You can see here to 41.2 around there. We stopped at around, let's see, right here at 40.4. So we went a little bit off in the price, but you can see that was a FOMO, that was a very manipulative candle right there, and it was just to take the profits and go off. So eventually, guys, it was a fake pump up right there, as you can see, 4-hour frame bullish candle right there, and now we formed another bearish at the next of the 4 hours. And you can see that on the 4-hour frame, guys, in just 4 hours we went upwards 20%. That is not normal. We don't want to see a shooting star candle right here. Okay, because as long as we are seeing a shooting star candle, then with the huge sell pressure, you can see there, it is a bearish moment, and we might go even beyond the 34.9, 34 cents and close even below. So that won't be good for TFUEL in the Tether USD. If you miss the opportunity to get your rewards right there and grab your rewards, then I would suggest you now to wait, because on TFUEL Bitcoin chart we are correcting, right? And Bitcoin also is not so stable right now. So eventually, if Bitcoin goes downwards, right, let's say that it goes downwards, then maybe TFUEL right there will go just way more downwards than it is already. Okay, so we have to be a little bit careful right there, guys. And of course, for TFUEL, that would mean that we can go down further from 35 cents. You know the next price prediction for the midterm, that is, guys, for the next 30 days or maybe more, it is the 26.5 cents. Okay, and I repeat that it is on the midterm because many people are expecting that by the time I say 26 cents, they are expecting the next few hours will go there. No, okay, I'm not saying that in the next few hours we will go to 26.5. I'm just saying that as we close down from 34.9, the next stop on the midterm, guys, in the next days, it will be on 26.5, around there, 26 maybe cents. We will see about that around this area right here, and we don't want to close below 34 to 35 cents. It is our strong support line right here. It is one of the strongest support line, and if we don't form a shooting star candle, then yes, we might have an opportunity to go and climb back up again at 38.2, right? But eventually, eventually, guys, we depend a lot now on Bitcoin because TFUEL Bitcoin chart is correcting a little bit, and we don't want to form here a shooting star candle as well, because if the red candle goes a little bit further down and we close around there, guys, at 32,700, then this will mean that we will form probably a shooting star, and mainly we might go down. But okay, let's see, let's be cautiously optimistic, guys, and let's hope that TFUEL won't close beyond, because if it closes beyond and then the next candle is bearish, this will be very bad for TFUEL, Tether USD. You know, I always want to tell you the truth right here. And of course, guys, I believe that we might go even further down from 34.9 if we have a shooting star candle right there. We will see about that, guys. Don't forget to join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below to get easy profits. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto and join our Telegram group chat, our beautiful family. Link is in the description down below as well. So right now, guys, all we do is to wait. Because you know my price prediction already. You know it for Bitcoin to 26 to 27,000 Tether USD. For me, I was just saying that for over 1 month, right? I am just thinking that Bitcoin might go there. We will see about that though. The 34.9 cents, you can see how strong support level it is for TFUEL. It seems like we don't want to lose this support level, right? You can see all the times we just closed above. We went a little bit beyond. Okay, this is good. This is true. But the point is here, guys, if you close above or not. Okay, so we closed all the times above. You can see that. Then we had a very bullish FOMO candle right there. And eventually we just went correcting another swing high to the 38.2, 38.6 around there, you can see, guys, and then we corrected again. So by the time I was doing the video, guys, we already had a pump up in a very bullish candle right there, and we had an enormous guys risk right there. The RSI, do not see it right now that it closed below 70. The RSI was like 81, 82, or maybe even more, I think. Not sure about that though. Totally for TFUEL Bitcoin chart, it was above 70 for sure. That was for sure, guys. That's why we had a very high risk on TFUEL Bitcoin chart. Therefore, on TFUEL Tether USD, even though the RSI didn't manage to close above the 70 in the 4-hour frame. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos, and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you and bye.